Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your HTC wireless earbuds with any MacBook. So first of all, before the pairing, just remember to charge them for like 10 minutes with this USB-C port, and then you have to just open this charging case. And right now you have to remove both earbuds. And right now, after a few seconds, this indicators will light up and it will start blinking quickly. It means that we are in the pairing mode right now, so we have to put them close to your MacBook. Go to the system settings, tap on the Bluetooth, and then turn it on with the switcher, and from the nearby devices list you have to select your earbuds. In my case, for some reason it appears as a headset, so when you click connect they will change the name. As you can see right now, they appears as HTC earbuds. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.